malleable, non-malleable, then after ductile. Ductile. If it is ductile, it will be non-ductile. Now I hope you will be understanding the difference between them. If it will be yes, it will be no. It will be true, it will be false. Okay? So, ductile and non-ductile. Ductile means to convert into thin wires. Whatever the wires we are seeing now, either it is iron wire or it is aluminum wire, copper wire, many type of wires you are getting in the market. So basically these wires are made from the elements, made from the metals, and these are converted in the shape of wire. And that quality is called ductility or ductile strength. So metals have ductile strength, whereas non-metals have non-ductile strength. Means it can be converted into thin wires and it cannot be converted into thin wires. I hope you are getting this. Okay. Second thing, next is it has sonorous. It is sonorous. Sonorous. Sorry. Same, non-sonorous. Okay. Sonorous means having a pleasant sound. Whenever you are getting any metal, that will have a sonorous, that will have a pleasant sound. When it is struck, when it is being beaten lightly or hardly, it will create a sound. Just like this iron door, you can see this. When we will strike on this, it will create a sound that is able to listen, that is quite pleasant for us. But when this is wall, when we strike on it, it will not create a pleasant sound. So what we can say, that metals are providing sonorous sound and non-metals are providing non-sonorous sound. Okay, so this is the next physical quality. After that, it is having luster, lustrous, non-lustrous. Okay. Lustrous and non-lustrous. What does the luster mean? Luster means shine. When you are getting any metal, it will shine. It will be in the form of shine, and non-metal will not shine. It will not have any luster. Now you will be thinking that we are getting many of the metals, many like as a common example is iron. If we take example, if it is kept for a long time, it doesn't shine. So for that, I would like to tell that if you are taking any iron, so maybe it will not shine, but as soon as it is being cut from any place or it is being broken from any place anyhow, then at that point from where it is being separated, at that point you must see the luster. You must see the luster, you must see the shine, and that property, that quality is known as lustrous, and in non-metals it doesn't happen. Okay, so lustrous and non-lustrous. After that, last one is, last but not the least, is tensile strength. So what will be written here? High tensile strength. High tensile strength. Okay. So if it is having high, then what will it have? Yes, exactly what you are thinking. Low tensile strength. Low tensile strength. Okay. Now what does this tensile strength means? Tensile strength actually means when it is given a heavy workload. When it is given workload, when it is given any load to hang on, then will it be able to handle that load or not? So suppose that you must have seen that when a truck is being when any heavy vehicle is being broke down, then it is being connected with a wire, and that wire is of metal. So when another vehicle pulls that heavy vehicle, it doesn't get broken. Why? Because it is having high tensile strength. Crane. In crane, you must have seen it is hanging many of the objects all together, and in that there is wire used. The wire is used for giving it high strength. Okay, so metals have high tensile strength and non-metals have low tensile strength. If it is given heavy workload, it will be broken, and if if metal is given, then it will not be broken. It will be able to bear that load. Okay. So these were the common differences between metals and non-metals in physical qualities. Now next topic will be chemical qualities that I will explain in next video. And for these points, I will send this photo. You have to note it down. Thank you, class.